All right, guys, this is a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. What we did on it for the customer is it's got high flow BBK headers and high flow catalytic converters, and he just got these CORSA mufflers that were used that he had on it and cut them off, and he put them back on, and we just put some 4-inch black tips on it for him on this side and this side. There's the black tips right there. There's the CORSA mufflers. It's got a factory X pipe on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. 2014 Chevy Camaro SS. Absolutely beautiful car. We just did some downpipes on it. BORLA system, full complete system with high flow cats right there and right there. Then it goes into then a BORLA X pipe right there, all 2.5. And then it continued all the way back. We don't like clamps, so we always weld them unless the customer requests otherwise. And puts a BORLA ATAK axle back. Completes it with 5-inch tips right there and right there. We also put a cold air intake system, a BBK right there. You see it? Cold air induction system that we put under the hood. Let it bring in more air so it can bring out more air, more sound. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. Really good. Oh wow, that's the CORSA system. CORSA mufflers. Wow, I like it. Yeah, those tips would look a lot better on it. It's got BBK long tube headers and high flow cats. All 2.5-inch system all the way back. Go ahead. Woohoo! Beast mode. This way is that again. At like 3,500 RPM, right? 116 at a 3,500 RPM. 116. Again, back it up. Camaro SS with a BORLA ATAK system. Complete system. If you guys want it, the link will be in the description. You guys hear on the inside.
high.